Very good morning. Hello, friends. NET examination at the beginning of preparation. So, you are taking good decision to prepare for NET exam. Before starting to prepare for UGC NET exam, candidates have to understand about it. What is UGC NET exam and its pattern? I am Ramdas Lad going to present how to prepare for NET examination. First of all, what is NET exam? The National Eligibility Test, it means NET, is a national level exam conducted by National Testing Agency, it means NTA, on behalf of UGC, University Grant Commission, from June 2020. This test enables postgraduate students to qualify for university level teaching jobs in India and also to seek admission in PhD level programs. Basically, this is the basic eligibility test for the teaching profession and research. The test is conducted in social science, humanities, which includes all languages, forensic science, environmental science, computer science, and applications and electronic science. The results of this exam, we can see here the graph. In the previous exam, 9,42,909 students have appeared and only 1% of the students are qualified, that is 4,756. So you have to take care about the results also. Basic educational qualification for appearing NET exam. So candidate who have scored at least 55% marks, that means B plus grade in their master degree. Candidate who have appeared or will be appearing for the master degree final year examination can apply. So student can apply for the post of junior research fellowship and assistant professor. So there are some important points we have to consider here. So exams basically based on the online platform. So this exam is online exam held in the month of June and December. It means twice in a year. The notification of the examination is announced in the month of June. For the month of June exam, notification will be announced in the month of March, and for the December exam, it will be in the month of September. Examination pattern: all papers are objective in nature, it means multiple choice questions are there. Basically the preparation time is more than 1 year. So career options: if you clear the NET exam, so there are two career options. The first one is the junior research fellowship and second one is the assistant professor. Once you clear the UGC NET, you become eligible to become a lecturer or pursue junior research fellowship in distinguished universities. The vacancies are announced from time to time and you have to apply for the same. And for the lecturer, once you clear the NET, you can apply for the post of lecturer or assistant professor, and when the vacancies are announced by the college and universities. While clearing NET is a must have criteria in many colleges and universities, the final appointment will depend on how well you face in the interview conducted by the concerned universities. Junior research fellowship is for those who have their heart set on the research. You become eligible for the Junior Research Fellowship if you have applied for it and in your application form and you have subsequently cleared NET. Once you get selected, then you can pursue research in any prestigious university and get the tuition fee reimbursed. In some universities, the students even get direct admission into MPhil programs. Now, examination pattern. So the test consists of two papers and both the papers are objective in nature. So first of all, we will see the paper first of 100 marks. There are 50 questions to be answered and the time is 1 hour. And paper second, 200 marks. There are 100 questions and all are compulsory and the time is 2 hours. The paper 1 will access the candidate's reasoning ability, comprehension, divergent thinking and general awareness. There will be a 50 questions, each of 2 marks. The candidates have to answer all the questions. Then paper second, this test will be based on the subject chosen by the candidate. There will be 100 questions of 2 marks each and all the questions are compulsory. There are some important points or tips while preparing for NET exam. So the first and most important point is get started. When candidate admitted in the second year or last year of master degree, you should start preparation. If you are planning to prepare for the UGC NET exam, so it is advised that you begin your preparation well in time. A minimum of 6 months is absolutely essential for the basic preparation. Sometimes it will take 1 year. Do studies regular, not only focus on completing the topics but also on revising them. Understand the syllabus. So it is important that you understand the syllabus completely and prepare for each topic accordingly. Do not leave out any topic. Then give the priorities to the papers out of the 2 papers. Second will be based on the subject of your choice, while the first will be based on the general awareness and teacher aptitude. So it is very important that you have a complete hold over your subject as you can score well there. So firstly, focusing your attention on the subject paper and then start preparing for the general awareness test by solving the sample papers which are available on the UGC website. Make your own notes while you are preparing the subjects. Keep on making the notes. This is going to help you while you are revising. So this will save your time and you will easily memorize it. Solve old question papers. So solve as many as old question papers. It is important that you refer to the question papers and solve them. This will give you an idea of what to expect in the exam and also build the confidence in you. In case you are unable to understand or solve some questions, then it is advised that you take the help of some seniors or your teachers to help you out with them. Make your own timetable for the study. So use your efficient time for the study. Some of the students have efficient in the morning, some of the evening. So make your proper time or use your efficient time. For particular period, make your goal and prepare your own study timetable to achieve it. Manage the time in examination hall. So which is very important. Time management during the examination is the important factor for your success in the NET. Have a strategy in place as to have to complete all the questions within the given time. You should be able to answer all the questions within the stipulated time period. Best, and the next one is the be confident. last but not the least, if you have decided to take the NET, then also have the confidence that you will clear it. Best of luck. So this is a small endeavor to help you in clearing the UGC NET exam. We know that this is not full, but we think at least some people will be definitely beneficial by this presentation. So there are some this is the review of this presentation. So UGC NET paper first and second. So mode of the examination is online. Duration of examination is 180 minutes. Total number of questions, so there are 150 objective type questions. Nature of questions, all the questions are objective in nature. Marking scheme, so each question carry 2 marks. There is no negative marking. So total marks are 300 marks. So medium of examination, so student can attempt this exam in English as well as in Hindi language. So there are some useful links you can use for the reference, ugcnet.nta.nic.in and ugcnetonline.in. So there are some useful books also. You can refer these books. UGC University Grand Commission NET Set for Lecturership by Sajid Kumar, and second one is the UGC University Grand Commission NET Set for Lecturership exam by GK. Thank you very much, and start your preparation immediately.